The OPPO A31 is a sleek device that offers some really good features too. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch waterdrop multi-touch screen that has an 89% screen-to-body ratio with 1600 by 720 pixels and 269 ppi pixel density. Viewing content on this panel is a delight. We have a 4230 mAh battery with fast charge technology, and it got us through most of the day with heavy usage, be it gaming or watching content. With a 2.3 GHz Mediatek 6765 octa-core processor, we didn't feel any lag while multitasking or using heavy applications. We also have a system-wide dark mode on this one to reduce strain on our eyes and lower power consumption, along with an eye comfort mode. We get multiple options to choose from in the native camera app too. OPPO phones come with a feature called Digital Wellbeing, which helps us to keep track of how much time we spend doing various activities on the phone. We can manage our usage through this feature, like restricting screen time and even restricting access to some apps or websites for parental control.